Have you ever wanted to turn memories into a captivating video? It's simpler than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning video using just photos and music. With tools like Windows Photos or iMovie on Mac, you'll impress everyone with your creativity. First, let's set the stage. You have a collection of photos from a recent vacation, family event, or special occasion. You want to showcase these moments alongside your favorite music. How do you do it? Let's dive into the process step by step. First, choose your platform. If you use Windows, we'll use Photos. If you're on a Mac, we'll use iMovie. Both programs are user-friendly and packed with features. Now, for Windows Photos, open Photos app on your PC. Click on Video Editor on top. Select New Video Project. Name your video. You're ready to start. Next, import your photos. Click the Add button. Choose from this PC. Select the images you want. Import them into the project. Done. Now, arrange your photos. Drag and drop them into the timeline. You can change the order easily by dragging them around. Simple, right? Let's add music. Click on the Music option. Choose a track from the available library or upload your own. Select the perfect song that fits your video. Now, let's transition to iMovie on Mac. Open iMovie and create a new project. Click Import Media to select your photos. Just like on Windows, drag and drop them into the timeline. Arrange your photos for a smooth flow. You can adjust the length of each photo display. This adds more life to your video. Don't forget to add music. Click on Audio in the toolbar. Choose from the built-in music or add your own. Now, for an example. Imagine you want to create a video of your child's birthday party. Use fun photos from the event. Add a cheerful birthday song. You'll have a delightful keepsake. To summarize, we covered how to create a video using photos and music. We chose our platform, imported photos, arranged them, and finally added music. Each step builds up your video nicely. Ready to create your own video? Grab your photos and favorite song. Start today and make lasting memories through video storytelling. Don't forget to share your masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and let's make memories together.